Brisket for the brisket, baby. Today we're getting right into it with the Snake River Farms Gold Standard Brisket. You're going to trim off the point, pretty much get it down to the bare bones. And then on the point, we're going to move to that right now. You'll see I'm cutting it down to about a 1/4 inch, maybe even a little bit less. This is a Wagyu brisket. You do not need a lot of fat on the outside. It is packed with marbling. On the top, you're just going to remove the silver skin like I'm doing. Just get it down. We're going to do this hot and fast around 300 degrees, so it'll take off most of the extra silver skin if you leave a little bit, but get as much as you can because the rub doesn't stick as well if you don't. We're going to go a 1/2 cup kosher salt, 1/2 cup black pepper, 1/3 cup white pepper, 3 tablespoons garlic powder, a little bit of umami powder, Bobby Bugatti. Let's go with some ancho chili and then a little bit of oil. We're going to get that rub on there real liberally. It's a Wagyu brisket. That fat is going to eat that salt and flavor, so make sure you add it now. You can always not subtract it, but a flavorless brisket sucks.